In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to vote in a poll on WhatsApp Web. If someone has shared a poll in one of your WhatsApp chats and you want to take part using your computer, the process is very quick and easy. WhatsApp Web lets you interact with polls directly from the chat, so you don't need to switch back to your phone just to cast your vote. To get started, open WhatsApp Web and make sure you're signed into your account. Once you're on the main screen, go to the conversation where the poll was posted. This could be a private chat or a group chat depending on where the poll was shared. Open that chat so you can view the messages and find the poll. When you locate the poll, take a moment to read the question and look at the available options. Polls on WhatsApp are designed to be simple and interactive, so the choices will appear directly underneath the question. This makes it easy to respond without opening anything else. Next, select the choices you want to vote for. In many polls, you may be able to choose more than one option, so be sure to click the option or options that match your answer. As you select them, WhatsApp Web will visually highlight your choices, which helps confirm that your vote has been registered correctly. If you change your mind before moving on, you can usually click again to adjust your selection depending on how the poll is set up. After choosing your answer, your vote should appear as part of the poll automatically. You may also be able to see updated results right away, especially in group chats where other participants have already voted. This can be useful if you want to compare your response with the overall results, but keep in mind that visibility can vary depending on the chat and the poll settings. If the poll doesn't respond when you click, make sure the chat is fully loaded and that you're clicking directly on the choice itself. It can also help to refresh the page if WhatsApp Web seems slow or out of sync. And if you still don't see the poll options properly, check whether your browser is up to date, since that can affect how interactive features work. That's all it takes to vote in a poll on WhatsApp Web. Open the chat, select the choices you want, and your response will be recorded in just a few seconds.